Hey you guys, this is your GHL Bestie. So for today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng basic automation sa Go High Level. So for example, ang goal natin is when someone submitted a form from your website, for example, gusto nyong mag-submit ng welcome email or ng automated welcome email sa lahat na magsasubmit ng form. Okay, so once you sign in to your Go High Level, just go to automation, go to create workflow, starts from scratch. And then from here, rename lang natin to make your automations organized. And para mas madali nating siyang makita makita sa ating automation. Okay, test, welcome email. Okay, so that's very important to rename your workflow or your automations. And then add new trigger. Ang trigger natin is when someone submitted a form. So let's search for form, which is this one. Add filters. Ibig sabihin na hanapin natin kung ano yung form na tina-target natin na nasa website natin. For example, ito yung form na nasa website natin. Okay? Or yan yung form na gusto nyong um, mag-send ng welcome email pag may nag-submit ng form. Okay? Save trigger nga lang and then makikita nyo dito yung plus sign. Click nyo lang yan and then search for email kasi ang target natin is mag-send ng welcome email pag may nag-submit ng form. So, lagay nyo lang yung name nyo, lagay nyo yung email nyo, lagay tayo ng subject, thank you for signing up. And then, generate tayo ng welcome email sa ChatGPT. So, for example, meron na kayong welcome email, makikita nyo may first name dyan, tapos meron ditong your name. Make sure to edit that kasi ayaw nating masend yan ng ganyan. Okay, edit nyo lang siya. Eto, to make it personalized, kung familiar kayo pagka nag-fill out kayo ng form, tapos nare-receive kayo sa email nyo na automatic may name nyo. So, custom values lang yan. Just click contact, tas full name. So, yan, pag nasend yan, automatic may pangalan nila yan. Personalized, diba, bongga? Okay. Once that's done, okay na sa inyo yan, save nyo lang. Okay? Yan. So, meron na tayong trigger, meron na tayong automated email. So, aside from that, gusto nyo pang makareceive sila ng SMS. Click nyo lang yung SMS dyan, send SMS, lagay nyo lang yung message nyo, save. Then, don't forget to click publish kasi pag hindi nyo pinublish yan, hindi yan mag-work. So, publish nyo lang siya para sure na pag may nag-submit ng form, marireceive silang email, may marireceive din silang SMS. Okay, click nyo lang yung save. And then that's it, you're done. Alright, thank you so much guys.